Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Uh, Today we will discuss about Nifty forecast for the next week, which is the first week of financial year 24-25 and first week of April as well. Before even going into the video, I suggest or I request people who are seeing the video for the first time, please do subscribe and stay connected with our channel. And after hearing the video, if it is worth for any like or dislike or comments or feedback, please do post the same so that it might be encouraging for me. At the same time, if there is any feedback, I would get rectified from the next videos. So now without wasting time, we will move on to the Nifty Nifty analysis part. I don't know how many of you are remembering during start of March series, almost most of the analysts across the streets were saying, including the medias, were saying that March is historically a negative month. We were one among the very few who said that this March could be a different one because of upcoming elections. We will see a positive month on month close for March series and as well as March end as men too. Coincidingly, both fell on a same day. So let's have a recap that what happened during March. I will convert this chart into a monthly one. If you see here, February month close was 21,982, whereas March closes 22,326, which means a direct 340 point green close month on month, which we have predicted on the day one of our series. We haven't said that it will run 300 points or 500 points, something like that, but we said clearly that this is going to be a positive month on month close. It exactly happened. So that is past. Now we will see what we can expect during next week. So this is the stuff. One second, I will close this window. Yeah. So this is the daily chart which we usually use for analysis, and we have 20, 50, 10, 100 and 200 simple moving averages with Bollinger Band attached to it and a super trend. If you observe keenly this chart, yesterday, that is on Thursday, Nifty almost tested the super trend zone and then fell down from there. Look at the wick over here in this particular candle. It exactly tested that super trend line and then fell down from there. And it's also a long weekend. We were expecting a profit booking kind of stuff in last hour, but it came exactly in the last maybe 45 30 minutes, I guess 30 to 40 30 minutes. In the last 30 minutes only we were seeing a sell-off, right? So this is not a very big negative. It's usual that we will see some kind of profit booking after a splendid run of 350 points intraday itself. That's not a big deal. So now for next week, I expect a retest of this 20 simple moving average. What is the 20 simple moving average? I will keep the cursor here. Yeah, this is the 20 simple moving average right now. 22,196, maybe 22,200. If you see Nifty 22,200 to 22,220 zones, we can initiate a long, because that's a good place where we can initiate a long right now. Instead of chasing the monthly opening, if it is a gap up also, you, instead of chasing that, please wait for a small dip, maybe somewhere around 22 200 to 22 225. That will be the ideal zone to create fresh longs with a stop somewhere below 100 points from your entry. That's the good support as of now. So if we are breaking this 20 simple moving average again, only then we can dream about further downside, which is at 22062. That is the 10 simple moving average. The 10 simple moving average comes into picture only if 20 simple moving average is broken on the lower side and sustains for minimum 15 minutes. Else there will be a flicker and then a jump on the higher side. So try to trade on the long side. If there is a dip, most probably by Monday or Tuesday before 2 p.m., if you get such kind of dip, you can play for the weekly options or even futures as well, right? And the resistance will be like, it will be a stiff resistance to cross right now, because 22,536 is the super trend zone. Only about 22,538 we can dream about further upside, or else we will go hit that zone 22,500 to 22,530 and then drop down. This will be happening. It will be not a one way directional move, it will be a range bound move between 22,200 to 22,550. This is what it's going to happen during next week. If at all, if something surprise comes, we can take out the resistance zone of 22,538. In such case, we can expect another 200 to 250 points move in very quick sessions. Say for example, uh, on Tuesday evening or on Wednesday evening, the close is about 22,538. Even on Thursday itself, we can see another 200 point move. Within one day itself, we can see 200 point move. So try to trade the range. Upon dips, you can buy. At the resistance, you can sell. Don't short, you can sell. And breaking above that resistance, you can buy again and trade the, ride the rally. So this is about Nifty. If you ask me what kind of position you can trade in options, I would suggest one position, but on a condition. So 22,300 call option is previous close was somewhere around 165. It shows it is 168, but the adjusted close would be somewhere around 165 to 170. Okay, so this particular thing you may have it in your watch list. If Nifty drops to 22,200 to 220, you may initiate a position over here with a stop loss in spot Nifty at 22,090. So if 22,090 goes, you may exit your position, or else you can stay with your position. I expect Nifty to test 22,500 at least once during next week. At least once. I don't know whether it will come on Friday, but if it comes before Thursday, even on Thursday, you will be in very good profits. Say for example, this particular stuff which is quoting here at 165, 170 odd zones. If there is a dip because of time decay, automatically on Monday, 20% premium will get eroded. In that case, this will open somewhere around 130, 135 only. Okay. And further, if Nifty drops down till 22,200, you may get this somewhere between 90 to 100 levels, or even 80 to 100 levels. Okay, if you are taking at that particular point, even if Nifty reaches 22,500 on Thursday, your premium will be 200 rupees, which is more than 100% returns on your capital. So trade carefully, guys. Don't over trade. Always go with one or two lots. That's more than enough to make money in markets. Please remember it. Markets will give you opportunity again and again. The only thing is we need to be there to claim that opportunity. Have a nice day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.